What's up, IQS fam? Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take on the ultimate emoji movie challenge? Here's your mission. Guess 20 different movies from different emoji combos. Score all 20 points and show everyone that you're the true movie master. Now, smash that subscribe button and let the emoji madness begin. Let's kick things off with this one. What's your answer? Bingo, The Lion King. How about this one? This is The Little Mermaid. Which movie is this? "101 Dalmatians." Round 4, do you have any idea? Awesome, Moana 2. Taco challenges you to count how many Moanas are in the table below. Time's up. Share your answer with IQ Splash. Next one coming up. That's right, Ratatouille. Can you recognize this movie by these emojis? It's Aladdin. This movie's hot. IQS thinks you know it. Excellent. Inside Out too. Remember the position of all characters. Where is envy located? Well, envy is a number 3. Let's continue with the next question. That's right, Frozen. Do you know this one? It's Tangled. What movies are you thinking of? Ooh, The Princess and the Frog. Next movie, tell IQS your answer. This is Lilo and Stitch. Time to move forward to the next. Of course, Up. Which movie is this? It's The Good Dinosaur. How about this one? Very good, Toy Story. Do you remember this movie? Zootopia. Take a look at the next one. That's right, Lady and the Tramp. What's the name of this movie? It's Beauty and the Beast. Next round, any ideas?